Did you know Samsung Gallery gives you more than one way to remove unwanted object from your photos? In this video, I will show you how to use the built-in object eraser from the photo editor. First, open the Gallery app. Then open the photo you want to edit. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom. Then tap Tools icon. Next, tap Object Eraser. Your phone may automatically suggest object to remove. If you don't get the suggestion, you can tap or draw around the object you want to remove manually. Tap Erase. Your phone will remove the selected object and intelligently fill the surrounding area. If needed, you can repeat this to remove additional object. When you are finished, tap Done. Finally, tap Save to replace the original photo, or tap the three-dot menu and select Save Copy to keep the original and save the edited version as a new image. And that's how to remove unwanted object from photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.